Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. Open your 4th class English workbook, volume 2. Open your English workbook, volume 2, page number 4. Page number 4. What did Bunny Rabbit actually want from Cutie Cow? She wanted Cutie Cow's milk, no? What did she want? She want plum fruits. No, she want only the Cutie Cow's milk. Okay? For that it came. First answer. Bunny Rabbit actually wanted to drink Cutie Cow's milk to quench her thirst. Bunny Rabbit actually wanted to drink Cutie Cow's milk to quench her thirst. Second one. Next, what happened to Cutie Cow after she agreed to Bunny Rabbit's request? Once she agreed to the Bunny Rabbit's request, it hit the tree. Then her hands were stuck into the plum tree's trunk. After she agreed to Bunny Rabbit's request to Bunny Rabbit's request, Cutie Cow backed up a bit and ran at the tree with her horns down, using all her might so that the plums would fall. The plums would not fall. But large horns, her large horns got stuck in the tree. Got stuck in the tree. After she agreed to Bunny Rabbit's request, Cutie Cow backed up a bit and ran at the tree with her hands down, using all her might so that the plums would not fall down. But large hands got stuck in the tree. The plums did not fall down. Instead of that, what happened? Her large hands got stuck in the tree. Come to your notes now. Complete soon. Next. Take next one. Amma, I am rubbing the third answer. Sorry, I am rubbing the first answer. What did Bunny Rabbit's family do to Cutie Cow? What did they do? They milked all the milk. Bunny Rabbit's family milked the trapped Cutie Cow until not a drop of milk was left. Bunny Rabbit's family milked the trapped Cutie Cow. Cutie Cow's milk, Nana. Sorry. Cutie Cow's milk until not a drop of milk was left. Bunny Rabbit's family milked the trapped Cutie Cow's milk until a drop of milk was left. ఒక drop of milk కూడా మిగిల్చకుండా మొత్తం తీసేసుకున్నారు అందరు. Yeah, take it. Next, second answer. Amma, I am rubbing the second answer, Nana. Second one rubbing. Next, what did Cutie Cow do to trick Bunny Rabbit? It pretended that it act like that it was not free. Still, it was in the plum tree. Its horns were still stuck in the brown tree. Like that, it acted to take revenge on the Bunny Rabbit. Cutie Cow tried to trick Bunny Rabbit. Trick means fool. Take revenge. Bunny Rabbit by pretending to be still her hands stuck in the tree. Pretending means acting. She did so by putting her head down and sticking her hands back into the holes she had made in the tree. Sticking her hands back in the holes of the tree, of the plum tree. Cutie Cow tried to trick Bunny Rabbit by pretending to be still, her hands stuck in the tree. She did so by putting her head down and sticking her hands back into the holes of the plum tree. Okay? Come to your notes. Next answer, Nana. I am rubbing the third answer. Next, how did Bunny Rabbit escape? Bunny Rabbit run like the lightning. Means he ran very fast. Like that he was escaped. and also he pretended he warned, gave the advice to the cutie cow that the bunny rabbit ran away by changing her voice. Bunny rabbit escaped. Bunny rabbit escaped from cutie cow. By running as faster as lightning. And then by pretending as Bunny Big Eyes. Bunny Big Eyes. Bunny Big Eyes. Bunny Big Eyes. Bunny rabbit escaped from cutie cow by running as fast as lightning and then by pretending as Bunny Big Eyes. And it was acted also as Bunny Big Eyes. He changed her voice and he made the cutie cow to know about the bunny rabbit was escaped from that place. Next, whom did bunny rabbit fool in the past before fooling cutie cow? Before fooling the cutie cow, it said, I fooled the funny fox and also Oofy bulls. Then I fooled the cutie cow. It said, no. Already నేను ఇద్దరిని ఫూల్ చేస్తానని చెప్తుంది లాస్ట్ ఫైనల్లో. ఎవరిద్దరిని? ఫాక్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో wolf. Funny wolves and Oofy wolf. Funny fox and Oofy wolf. Last sixth one, Anna. It fooled a funny fox and a Oofy wolf. Then last final is cutie cow, Oofy wolf. Already it fooled the funny fox and also Oofy wolf. Now it fooled the cutie cow. Complete your notes. Next, take next page. Take next page. Amma, I'm rubbing. Next one, match the adjectives to its meanings. Amma, here modest, arrogant, patient, cruel, rude, polite, kind, ambitious, aggressive, compassionate. These are the adjectives. Its meanings also given. Its meanings also given here. We have to match with their meanings. First one who has the capacity to tolerate delay. Who has the capacity to tolerate delay? Means he has a much patience to do his work. Is the patient. Means has in the patience. I'm a master patience. Patience. Match here. First one is patience. One who has the capacity to tolerate delay is the patient. Match to patient. Patient match here. First one. One who has a strong desire for success or achievement. One who has the strong desire. Means the person has one of the ambition or one goal. He is the ambitious. Match to ambitious. Match to ambitious. Next, one who is impolite or bad manner. One who is impolite, not polite, and also very rude. He is a rude, bad mannered person is called a rude. Rude, match to rude. Third one is rude. Next, one who is rude. He is rude, angry, and looking for a fight. He is very rude and also always angry and also ready to fight. He is called aggressive. He is aggressive. When he look at him, he is looking like to fight. అతను చూడగానే చాలా కోపిష్టిగా కనబడుతుంటాడు. He is like aggressive. Aggressive. Is a bad-mannered fellow. One who shows sympathy for another's suffering. Amma, one who shows sympathy means showing pity. He always show pity on others. He is ready to help others. He is called a compassionate. Match to here. Compassionate means he is having the much pity. He is very kind person. Okay, one who has attitude of superiority. One who he is having the superiority feeling means I am so great. He felt like that. The person felt I am so great, superiority. Okay, I am only the greatest person. I am the best person. Like that, he had more confidence about him. He is called arrogant. Arrogant. Arrogant means having the superiority feeling. Nene great nane feeling untundi ataniki. Arrogant. Match to arrogant. Arrogant. Next, one who is respectful and well behaved. Amma, whenever he see that person, he is looking very polite and respectable person, well dressed. He is a polite, master polite. One who doesn't boast about his merits. he is not satisfied about his marriage. Always he is looking for the change. He is looking for another change. ఎప్పుడు మోడల్గా ఆలోచిస్తూ ఉంటాడు. ఈజ్ ద మోడెస్ట్. మ్యాచ్ టు మోడెస్ట్. మ్యాచ్ టు మోడెస్ట్. One who willfully causes pain and suffering. అమ్మ ఎప్పుడు ఇంకోని సఫర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాడు. గివింగ్ ట్రబుల్ టు అదర్స్. Giving pain to others. He caused pain to others. He is a cruel person. Cruel. Now where is cruel? Here. Match to cruel. He is giving trouble to others. He is giving pain to others. Here match. One who is friendly, willful and sympathetic. Who is friendly? Kind. Match to kind. Here is kind. Match to here. First one is patient. Second one is ambitious. Third one is rude. Fourth one is aggressive. Fifth one is compassionate. Sixth one is arrogant. Seventh one is polite. Eighth one is modest. Ninth one is cruel. And 10th one is kind. Today's class is completed. Complete your notes. Okay? Bye.